High above the world, machines of metal soar through the clouds. Pilots with steady hands guide them across continents and oceans. We live in an age of incredible technology. Computers and satellites help us navigate the vastness of the sky. But have you ever wondered how pilots flew before these modern marvels existed? Long ago, the sky was a wilder place. Pilots relied on their wits, courage, and a few essential tools to find their way. It was a time of true adventure, where every flight was a test of skill and determination. Imagine a time when the stars were your GPS and the wind your guide. Their stories are the stuff of legends, tales of daring and resilience that continue to inspire pilots today. So let us journey back in time and uncover the secrets of how pilots navigated before the digital age. Before the advent of GPS and sophisticated avionics, pilots relied on a combination of rudimentary tools and keen observation to navigate the skies. One such tool was the trusty compass, an instrument that has guided explorers for centuries. By aligning itself with the Earth's magnetic field, the compass provided pilots with a consistent reference point for direction. Another indispensable tool was the map. These maps were meticulously crafted, depicting topographical features, airfields, and radio beacons that helped pilots maintain their course. However, relying solely on ground-based landmarks had its limitations, especially during long flights over water or featureless terrain. To navigate these vast expanses, pilots turned to the celestial bodies. Using a sextant, an instrument that measures the angle between the horizon and celestial objects like the sun or stars, pilots could determine their latitude and longitude with remarkable accuracy. These tools, though simple in design, demanded a deep understanding of navigation principles and the ability to interpret complex data. One such aviator was Charles Lindbergh, whose solo transatlantic flight in 1927 captivated the world. Equipped with little more than a compass, a map, and a sextant, Lindbergh bravely traversed the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, relying on his navigational skills and sheer determination. His incredible feat showcased the possibilities of human endeavor and the power of traditional navigation techniques. Another legendary pilot who pushed the boundaries of aviation was Amelia Earhart. Known for her pioneering spirit and unwavering courage, Earhart set numerous aviation records, including becoming the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean. During her ill-fated attempt to circumnavigate the globe in 1937, Earhart relied heavily on celestial navigation to maintain her course over the vast Pacific Ocean. These stories of early aviators remind us that with ingenuity and skill, humans can overcome incredible challenges. These pioneers paved the way for modern aviation, proving that the sky was not the limit, but rather a gateway to endless possibilities. While it's true that modern technology has made flying safer and more accessible, the importance of traditional navigation skills remains paramount. In aviation, redundancy is key, and pilots must be prepared for situations where technology may fail. Understanding the principles of dead reckoning, celestial navigation, and the use of basic instruments like the compass and map remains an essential part of pilot training. In the event of an electrical failure or GPS outage, a pilot's ability to navigate using these time-tested techniques could mean the difference between a safe landing and a potential disaster. These skills foster a deeper understanding of the art of flight, connecting pilots to the legacy of aviation pioneers who navigated the skies with courage and ingenuity. So the next time you board a plane, take a moment to appreciate the legacy of knowledge passed down through generations of aviators. Remember the pilots who navigated the skies using the stars as their guide, and know that their skills and spirit live on in the cockpit